My words are weak, God doesn't approve. I pray and curse, a conflicting loop. Every day I'm torn between right and wrong. Praying brings tears, cursing brings a fleeting song. God, forgive me, I'm truly sorry and sad. Today I'm faithful, tomorrow I'm bad. Holy Spirit, take away my impatient heart. Help me find my way before we drift apart. We drift apart. I swing from faith to doubt, a never-ending fight. Slang words bring temporary relief, but guilt takes flight.